Right now we have one of the best GMs that you can ask for. And we got 99% of our cars priced at 1 or 2 when it comes to lowest price for those cars. Again, that's 99% of our cars. We're a very competitive dealership. Everybody that comes into the door is treated like family right away. Most people are going to tell you that, like, that's what everybody says, but here it's not just what we say, it's what we do. We have a whole bunch of long-term customers that will tell you the same thing. I try to make sure I get in contact with a lot of my old customers every day. I've gotten a lot of longtime friends from it. My dad has a whole bunch of family from here, my grandpa has a whole bunch of family from here, so it's important to me to serve Defiance because that's what my dad did for such a long time. We do offer special financing with people with low or no credit at all. We can get him approved. It's real easy for him. He knows what he's doing. I'm real great at talking with people, not trying to convince them of anything, but I try to be a real honest salesperson. That's the way that my manager, my general manager, that's the way he got it into sales for so long. That's why he's as far up as he is. And I'm real fun to talk to, believe it or not, and I talk a lot. But I try to be as transparent as I can be about vehicles with customers.